Welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about base method of multiplication. When we talk about the base method of multiplication, we are multiplying different numbers using a base number. Okay, we have base numbers like 10, we have base number like 100, we have base number like 1000. Any number you can take as a base number. Okay, normally like numbers like 10, then 100, then 500, then 1000, 250, 300, 50, different numbers you can take as a base number, and we have different methods of multiplication using base number. In this video, we have taken a base number that is base 10. When we talk about base 10, the numbers near to 10, how easily you can multiply, how fast you can multiply when two numbers are multiplied which are near to 10. Okay, so that is why we have taken some numbers near to 10. 14 multiplied by 12, 19 multiplied by 13, 16 multiplied by 14, 17 multiplied by 18. The normal conventional method of multiplication we have already learned. Here what we are going to see is base method of multiplication. Using base method of multiplication, how fast you can calculate the answer. And one more thing I just want to tell you, Vedic mathematics is based on only multiplication table up to 9. You need not to remember multiplication of any number after 9. You are starting from number 2 to number 9. If you remember the multiplication table, 9 9s are 81. That's it. That's enough for you to do any calculations using Vedic mathematics. Okay, so let us see how to do it. 14 multiplied by 12, we have a base number 10 here. So first what we need to do is, we have to see what is the deviation of these numbers from base number 10. What is the deviation of these two numbers from base number 10? Base number 10 and this number is 14, so it is 4 more than base number. So we will put a plus 4 here. And this number 12, our base number is 10, so what is the deviation? This number is 2 more than our base number, so we will put a plus 2 here. Then once you understand the concept, then it is very easy. Okay, once you write it like this, you have written the deviation, then multiply these two numbers. 2 4s are 8. Then what is the next step? Cross addition. 12 plus 4, cross addition. 12 plus 4, 16. Or you can say 14 plus 2, that also will give you 16. So 168 is the answer when you multiply 14 and 12. Okay, once you practice it, you can do it in 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so let us go to the next number. Here, what is the deviation? Plus 9 is the deviation from base number. Here plus 3 is the deviation from base number. So 3 9s are 27. Remember, it is a base number 10. We have only 1 0 here. So here you can put only one digit. So 3 9s are 27. You can put only 7 here. We have a carryover of 2. Now 13 plus 9, 22. Or you can say 19 plus 3, 22. This is cross addition. Once you do the cross addition and this carryover, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. So 247 is the answer when you multiply 19 by 13. Let us go to the next number. Now you understood the concept. Now it is easy for you. You can do it fast. Here plus 6 is the deviation, plus 4 is the deviation. 4 6 are 24. You can put 4 only here. Remaining is 2. Then 14 plus 6, 20 plus 2, 22. So 224 is the answer when you multiply 16 by 14. So this method is very easy. If you understand the concept, then easily you can do this type of calculations. Here, next number. Here the deviation is plus 7. Here deviation is plus 8. When you multiply these two, you get 56. So 56 means you can put only 6 here. Carry is 5. Then 18 plus 7, cross addition. 18 plus 7, 25. 20 plus 5, 30. So 306 is the answer when you multiply 17 by 18. So when we have base number 10, any number near to 10, that is, you can say from 11 to 19. Even you can apply this method for 21, 22, 23 also. So we have different method for that. That is why I am not giving you that method here. So base number 10. So any number near to 10, easily you can multiply by any other number using this method that is called the base method of multiplication. Okay, so in the coming video, we will see the same base method of multiplication with a different base. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.